Hello. Today I was weighing my mother's shoes, and we had some quite large surprises and some pitfalls.
Because you're helping me pick out my shoes for my trip, right?
See.
Yeah.
These were 8 3/4 ounces as a pair. This is all as a pair.
Okay.
Not singular. 8 3/4 ounces. What?
They're called Teva Mush Wedges.
Yes, those.
Okay. All right. These are Skechers, and they weigh?
11 7/8 ounces.
All right. And then what do we have for the next one? These are Monroe sandals, and they are?
14 1/2 ounces.
14 1/2 ounces. Okay. And then?
These Birkenstocks are extremely heavy at 1 pound and 4 1/4 ounces.
So they're the heaviest, almost the heaviest sandals, but not quite. Okay. And then next to them we have Allbirds.
Yes, and these weigh exactly the same as the Birkenstocks. And actually, what she said about the sandals was not exactly true, because both of these are sandals, and this one, you'll have to. Which one is this?
Those are Ugg wedges.
Ugg wedges, 1 pound 3 ounces.
Okay. And the last ones are Joseph Seibel, and they are how
1
much?
pound 6 1/4 ounces.
1 pound 6 1/4 ounces. So that means that these light pairs down here, which are around 8 ounces for the pair, you can take both of these two pairs here and here for the same amount of weight as just one of these pairs here. So, did we learn something about which shoes I should take today?
Very much so. You should take this one, this one, and maybe this one because it's closed-toed.
So this difficult decision became very easy, didn't it?
See.
Alrighty. Thank you for your help, Luca.
Guten Tag.